Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can use the KW custom templates to create a home valuation page on your KW agent site. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we are logged in here, we're going to click the website's applet on the left-hand side. It's going to be the one at the very bottom of your command. Give that a second to load here. And then we're going to click Manage Website. So there are currently two different ways that you can add the home valuation page to your site. So we'll start with the quickest, easiest one, but this one doesn't have any customization. So on this one, you can scroll down on this menu right here, right in this quick start menu, and click Create Page. You'll have options for these page templates that KW has created, and you can click this home valuation page. So we're going to go ahead and select template and click Create Page here. And it's going to go ahead and it's going to load for us. It takes a second here, and they'll be able to enter their home address to get their home's value. So you can go ahead, you can change this page title if you would like, and then you would just click Publish up here. We do have another page with that name, so it's not going to allow us to publish this one right now. We could change the name and publish it, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at that second way to change the page or to add the page. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to close this out so we can start again. We can take a look at this. So we're going to go ahead and click Manage Website. We're going to go to Expert Mode this time. So this way allows us to customize the page a little bit more to our liking. So if you wanted it exactly as is, you can post it exactly how they have their template. You can publish it that way. You do not have to change it at all. We're just going to go ahead and look at how you can change it. So we're going to go to this home valuation under this quick start menu. So we'll click on that. And in here, you are able to adjust the title. You can adjust the subtitle, which appears down below. And you can go ahead and scroll down. You can see the page header, which is going to be what is behind this title text right here. So we can hide it if we don't want it to appear at all. It would hide this Discover Your Home's Worth, or we can switch to none at all if we don't want to see this whole block right here. Again, this page is still good to publish exactly as it is, but we can still do a little bit of editing. So if we scroll down, you're going to see these different page contents. So the first one is the home value search component. So that one, you can adjust the title or the description on it, the title and the description right here. So you can do those, and then it'll have that appear for you. Next is this rich text module. And this is where we have this video embedded right here. So this is going to be the Keller Williams real estate market update. You can hide this module, you can remove the module, you can move it around, but we can just leave it how it is. We can add a title if we want, or adjust this rich text. And then we have this form for the agent contact module. So that one is going to be the module you see right here with your contact, and they can fill this out and contact you right there. We can choose to hide this page in navigation, or we can leave it how it is. If you do leave it to appear in navigation, it should appear under this More menu. Within about 24 hours, you should see that upload with your additional page. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, you can feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always happy to help out. Have a great day.